Aquaba to my channel. My name is Benedicta, but you can call me Bernny for short. Oh my gosh, I miss you guys. I miss you so much. I wasn't feeling so well, so I had to break from all social media. And please, if you haven't followed me on my social media, Instagram, you have to do it. I asked to have a break on social media just because I was not feeling well and I needed rest. So I just had a break and I am back. Yes, I am back. So if you are new on my channel, Aquaba, join the family, or let me give you like 5 days. Watch all my videos. If you really like my content, please then subscribe to my channel. Yeah. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey, my real MVPs, I love you. I love you for always coming back to watch my videos. I know it's disheartening when you post a video and no one watches, but at least some people watch my video and I'm so grateful. Little drops of water makes a mighty ocean, so I'm so grateful. No matter the number, or I don't mind. So thank you so much for always watching my video. So today, as you can see, I'm in my kitchen. I'm in my kitchen, and if you don't know me, or if I haven't mentioned it up here, I'd like to tell you that I'm a mom and a wife. So today I'm going to prepare my daughter's lunch, and I know some mothers will be wanting some lunch ideas. So yeah, I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to prepare her food today. So I'm like, okay, why don't I video this, because it's been a while. So today's food I'm going to prepare for her is called coconut milk yam pottage. Sounds nice, and I hope it's going to be tasty. This is my first time going to cook it for her, so let's see how it goes. Let's see the ingredients as well. So first and foremost, this is coconut oil. You can also use palm oil or butter, unsalted butter, but I prefer using coconut oil because that's what I have at the moment. This is my coconut milk. This is my turmeric. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. This is my ground turmeric, my ground cinnamon. This is salt. This is StartRight Chubby legume mix. This is pepper. I'm not going to use all. This is for the family. I blend everything together with the garlic, ginger, and onion, and I put them in the diffuser. So whenever I need, I just pick it up and it's quick to cook with. I don't need to now blend stuff. I already have them in the diffuser. So yeah, this is my garlic, onion, ginger, like I said before. My pepper. I'm going to use breast fillet, chicken breast fillet. You know, the boneless. That's what you have to be using for your child. You don't need any bone, unless maybe you are preparing soup. But if you are preparing normal stew and stuff, you use the breast chicken breast, like, yeah. So yeah, these are my ingredients. So I am the cameraman and the chef as well. I am here with my daughter alone, so I do everything alone basically. Yeah, so yeah, if anything goes wrong with this video, especially the lightning or anything, please pardon me, because yeah, I'm here alone, so I do everything alone. If your child is like 7 months and 5 years, this food is appropriate for him or her. So to begin with our food, I chopped one big breast fillet. That's one from the sachet, and I put it in a clean saucepan. So I'm going to turn the fire on and start with the food. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So first and foremost, I'm going to pour my garlic, ginger, and onion inside with the chicken. I'm then going to pour a pinch of turmeric powder into the chicken. Going to put in our ground cinnamon, pinch 2. Yeah, so it's on low heat at the moment, so I can pour my spices on the chicken. A little bit of salt. Then I'll stir it all together. I didn't add any water to it. The chicken will produce its own stock. So guys, I think I'm struggling here. Let me put my phone down and stir it very well. Yeah, so I am done stirring it up. I am going to leave it for 6 minutes. Then I'll come back to top up with the things I need to do. So whilst I wait for my chicken to be done after 6 minutes, I chopped my yam. You can chop it any size you want. I decided to chop it like this so that it can cook fast. So anyhow you want it, you can. So yeah, I'm waiting for my 6 minutes to be up. Then I pour this into my stock here. So I'm pouring in my chopped yam into the stock. Yeah, so I'm stirring it up with the yam. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper because my daughter doesn't like a lot of pepper, and it's not even good for her age to put a lot of pepper in her food. And pepper is supposed to be in your child's food from 1 year and above. Yeah, so I'm going to put a little bit in here. Yeah, so a little bit like this. I couldn't show you the quantity because my pepper was watchy because it has been in the deep freezer for some time. So yeah, that much. Then I stir all together. Yeah, so guys, I have mixed them all in, so I'm going to leave it to simmer. The word is simmer, so it has to be on a low heat. I'm going to let it simmer for 3 minutes, and then I'll come back to check up on my food and add what I need to add later. How my chubby mix looks like. So I'm going to pour this in, and then I will add my coconut milk at this stage. So this is the coconut milk. I'm to add 700 ml coconut to the food, and I have my measuring cup here. My measuring cup, that is 250. I don't know if you can see, 250 ml here. Oh yeah, you can see now, 250 ml. So 250 plus 250 will give us 500, and another 250 will give us 750. So I'm going to use 2.5 of this to fetch the the coconut oil and pour it inside the food. So eventually I had to pour everything inside because it was the same quantity or ml I was looking for, so I just poured everything inside. Yeah, so that's how my food is looking. I'm going to leave this for 20 minutes and then come back and add my coconut oil to it. You can add palm oil, butter, any preferred, but I don't have palm oil. I would have loved to use palm oil because it's been a while she ate palm oil food, but I don't have some at the moment, so I'm going to use coconut oil after this has been cooked for 20 minutes. So I'm going to increase the heat a little so that it can cook for 20 minutes. Yeah, I said previously in my video that if you cut it into smaller sizes like I cut them, it's going to cook early. So yeah, so you might not need 20 minutes to let it cook. So I'm just going to add my 5 spoonful of coconut oil, add it and leave it on fire for it to cook for 5 minutes, and I'll be done. Yeah, so if the sizes are bigger, you need it to stay on for a very long time so that it will cook well. Because mine was cut into smaller sizes, it's already be cooked, doesn't need 20 minutes for it to cook. So that's what you're supposed to know when cooking this food. I just added my 5 spoonfuls of coconut oil. I'm going to stir it and leave it on for like 5 minutes, and the food will be ready. So guys, the food is ready, so I'm going to turn it off and serve. Yeah, so I am done with the food. I'm so happy with the outcome. I'm going to feed her now. Gosh, you can do this. Thank you, StartRight. If you're a StartRight mom, shout out to you. Thank you so much for this food recipe. So you can blend it or serve it directly, depending on your child's, eating, depending on your child eating. Basically, if she can eat solid, you can just give it to her just like that. But if she's not good in solid, you can blend it up and make it as a pudding and serve it. Yeah, so yeah, I think that is all we need to know. I'm so tired, that's why I'm rambling, so please forgive me. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Let's get to 400, and if you like videos like this, let me know so that I do more of this. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye.